taking apart this hard drive. I took quite a lot of these in the past. I still got some from the previous 4 times that I took some apart. So really, I need to chuck them away. I already took four screws out. So, and I realised, as I say, I was going to do it for YouTube. I was trying to find one of them because when my socket sets, one of these just keeps going on and twisting. But it was like as an old tool saying, dude, that's a flathead screwdriver. And that's undoing a star screw. So if you ever want to take one of these and you ain't got a star, get the mini flat what you got. Not focusing anymore, this camera. Not focusing anymore. Yeah. And that will do it. That's the tiniest one I got. So yeah, it's like the socket side, as the old saying goes, it's like a quarter of bars and a bit smaller. It's just enough to get air around it. So it won't do it. A lot of people take these apart, yeah, but sometimes they could be crafty, where sometimes there's a screw inside. I'm looking now, if I remembered. I got that right bang on. Yeah. You always look at the label. It's always under the 160 gigabyte. And I just got that. And you just have to keep doing it. And it's that simple. I think, if I'm correct, it's just simple. Just like that. Then you get the seal. So I remembered that was stainless. Yeah. So there you go. There's the one like this there. You see yourself. So quite a fair bit of what am I using that for? So quite a fair bit of screws to undo in here. And that bit there in this corner. And you saw I still got quite a fair bit of them. There's some I accidentally chucked in scrap. But there's some you can actually, if that's good enough, they will come off because that's the magnet there. So a lot of people say, why do people take these apart? Can't you just chuck them in as they are? Yeah, well, true, yeah, you can chuck them in as just the aluminium. But it's better off taking it apart, then it saves you time, really. So, there you go. Yeah, it's just simple. It tastes better taking them apart. Right, that needs to come off with a good decent flat. Oh, get my socket set. Oh, I got two in the mid. That should do. You always lose on this angle. I don't think this is correct. With these tool set where I got this from, yeah, I don't think they actually make these, fit right, because it's always loose. But what I'm going to have to do is take that bit off there, bit flat, screw down. So, even somebody else who I know what's got set like this, even he agrees with me. But then also when you want to use him, especially the stars, that'll come on. It is. Yeah, he agrees. I think that's the show teaching. I remember last time I took. Yep. But then you got that bit of copper wire, and it's that simple. Simple like that. It will. The copper will come out off that plastic, so you got your copper wire. Got another magnet here, and sometimes it might give me problems, but yeah. There's another magnet. Yep, this is easy plastic off. How close that was to my fingers, by metal. I think I might need that. Nope. This way is you have to hold this while you're taking those screws in the middle. Yeah, I know a lot of people in the past where they have collected a load of these in the past, took the hard drive out and then smash them up to pieces. And every shop I go to where I collect these from, yeah, because they always go, oh yeah, he's a scrap man, he works for a scrap man. Oh, he can easily take into a scrap man. So let's get Mark Stone to take it away. Yeah, aluminium or stainless. And I say to him anyway, I said, so if you're a bit worried that you don't think this, it might have to. Yeah. This is a bit still behind back at this. Yeah. What is this? That's my screwdriver. There. That's too big one. Yeah, one of my mates agreed with me. Said, don't think these, when they got made, don't think that actually, not 100% they actually made them bang on. That's a bit of steel. You don't believe me? No. Yeah. I'm going like that. It's like, I think, it's just a bit of steel. It's just that magnets. Yeah, that's better. Steel. One's a bit stainless. Well, got quite a fair bit of these Star ones. Yeah, and I tell the people I collect the scrap from, don't worry too much, because what I do anyway, I take them apart, then eventually I'll bake it anyway, then they can't do anything with them, to be fair. And they always go, oh, let me bake it anyway. I said, well, it's up to you. So, this got that in scrap. And this is all basic aluminium. All this is aluminium, so I can have that new one to the top. I put my tools away. I put these metals, non-magnetic, together. I think yeah, that's aluminium. Then pick up all the screws up. So yeah, I was going to do this outside, but it won't stop raining. So yeah. So I need to put all this in something. I'll put it in with my I'll put it in with my amps. And then my magnets. Oh, got some more screws. Screw, yeah. Bit of plastic. Got my pin near me anyway, lucky enough. Some magnets. Like that, bit of rubbish. Screws. Oh. Put that coffee in there now. Screws. They can go in there. They can go away. It's simple, like that. Some more of my screws. Yeah, I've got my toolbox. I'm going to bring next to each other, so it makes it easy. then I not have separate. Then I ain't got separate stuff, you know, different places. So it makes everything alright. Yeah. And then a bit of steel. So yeah. So it's a goodbye from me. Merry Christmas, month. Merry Christmas, everybody. See you later, guys. Bye for now.